Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can use Cortana on your computer's lock screen, since everyone face the issue of using Cortana on the lock screen, so start by opening settings. Then go on Cortana. Then after opening it simply go on Talk to Cortana. After opening it, you can see that from here you can adjust your computer's Cortana settings, so to use Cortana on your lock screen, simply come here and turn on this Use Cortana even when my device is locked. And from now on you can use Cortana even when then computer is locked. So thanks for watching, and if you are new make sure you subscribe.